Come into my world, I've got to show you.
You guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting video for you today. My boyfriend bought a drone and he wanted to practice flying and filming with it. So he proposed we go into the dunes near our house and I would do yoga and he would film. We went and got up super early for this beautiful sky and I practiced yoga on top of this dune while he was in the background. You can see him there filming me and flying this drone, practicing how he can fly and also keep me in the frame. I hope you enjoy it. As you can see, he was still struggling sometimes with it being a little bit wobbly or losing me in the frame. But overall, we're both very satisfied with the images we created, and I hope you enjoyed them as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to stay up to date with the next videos. And thanks so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.